All right, I'm just going to repeat this again since I had to restart the video. So when you want to make your own Google drawing, since Nearpod isn't letting us save it, you'll have to log into your NISD portal and find Google Drive. That's the blue, yellow, and green triangle. When I click it, it's going to take me to my drive. And you might see some documents for other classes or even for my class. When you want to make a new Google drawing, you come up here to the new, that plus sign. And as you see, I don't have Google Drawing here, but don't worry everyone, it's just hidden. I have to click on More, Google Drawings, and it will take me into a new Google Drawing. So on here, I can now sketch using my line tool, my polyline, my curve tool, or even any of my shape tools to make my sketch. Okay, so for example, if I'm doing a cup, we got that here. Maybe you want to add some polylines. Okay, let's just say, for example, I'm done, right? This is a fast sketch. You would take more time on yours, and you would possibly even like change the colors. All right. So let's say, for instance, I'm done. So when I'm ready to share it, I have to do two things. First thing is rename it. So I'm going to rename this Pop Art Sketch. Okay. I can add text if I want to tell what it is. This is a cup. Now I'm ready to share it with Miss Alfaro. So you could do one of two things. The first thing you could do is the fastest way is clicking on the share button over here on the right corner. When I click on share button, it tells me that I can share it with other people. So I want to share it with Miss Alfaro. So then I can type in Alfaro, and you can find my picture. My first name is Sabrina. You will then click send, or you can tell me a message, send. Okay, that's one way. Another way you could do it is to download by going up here to File, Download JPEG Image. That means I'm going to download an image of this cup. It will save to my computer, and I can also use this document tomorrow when it's time to upload my file for my sketch. I could use this drawing too. So again, what we did right now is we created our own Google drawing so that way you can make your own sketch for this assignment.